And now we're off to our final site. As it's coming to the end of our holiday, we're going towards England, so we're going to a site that's just on the English and Wales border for the last 2 days of holiday. So stay tuned.
Darren, how long do we have to let it simmer for?
Well, my Delia Smith. And that over there is England. Hello, England. Shh. No one's checked our passports yet, and we've been in Wales now for what, 6-7 days.
No.
So, Jess's idea, we at the campsite did say it had a pub and a restaurant or cafe, and we were going to have dinner there, and it'd be brilliant. Luckily we asked, they stopped serving food at 3 o'clock, what did she say, 2 o'clock?
Half 2.
Bar closes at 3 or 4, something like that. So luckily we managed to come back into out driving, more driving to Shrewsbury, and Jess has treated me to lunch and dinner because she's pushed the boat out. Lunch and dinner. Lunch today is kebab and veggie burger and chips, and tonight's gonna be chili that I'm gonna make.
Show me a giant kebab. It's huge.
Yeah, here's my kebab. Cut that kebab. I think as kebabs go, that's not a bad kebab. Jess, what we're doing?
Nothing.
We're doing nothing at the moment. We are having a nothing time. Look at this view. Nice view. This does not mention the fact that we're in a shop car park. There's people coming and going. We don't even see what they just seem to sell clothes and jewellery and stuff, didn't it?
And farm food, farm shop type stuff, wasn't it?
It wasn't farm food though, no, that looked good, like I could see.
I think they did. Did cake and ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
There was a little bar, wasn't there?
Tiny little bar.
That shuts at 2:30.
Was it there?
Let's drink really quick.
So let's go for a tour around the site. It's got private fishing lake, which you need to book in through reception, and I think you pay extra to access the lake. And just a little walkway, you're on the River Severn, and there's a bridge, and that's the English border there. And then you can see there's camping pods, and there's a wagon, and also there's spaces down there for camping.
So, these are the best showers that we've ever had. It's like having a shower in somebody's house. So they're really big, they're very spacious, they've got a chair for Darren.
Do love a chair.
Got loads of hanging space on the back of the door. Nice.
Look how close you are to Millie.
Look how close you are to Millie.
There's a toilet.
There's a toilet.
Right, I need to go. Jesse's away. Close the door. Can I record this bit? Ask us.
What?
What about the swans?
Oh, I said, because that's Wales and this is England. Are those swans Welsh swans or English swans? Who do they belong to?
They're Welsh, they're this side. You can tell they're Welsh anyway.
Why?
Did you hear their accents? So we always do this. We always decide we'll go for a little walk, then a walking miles, and Jess is wearing a dress and sandals. And I'm wearing Crocs. But we all know you can walk miles in Crocs, can't you? It's like slippers. We're coming all the way along the River Severn. And that over there is England. Hello, England. And this, we're in Wales. England, Wales. No one's checked our passports yet, and we've been in Wales now for what, 6-7 days. That is shoddy passport control. So there's that collapsible stool. It is doubled up as a table, but more importantly, there's a footstool, and it packs away for nothing, into nothing. So this would be great for Wales. Now obviously you'd use real mints, but because Jess hasn't mentioned it enough on these videos, and if you're not aware, because I rarely mention it, Jess is a vegetarian, and no surprise. So obviously you can use corn mints. It's also better for you because apparently it's lower fat, but you would normally use real meat. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to mine to add meat to it. Uncle Ben's, any chili con carne sauce will do. Or you can just use chopped tomatoes or tin chopped tomatoes, but we're being really lazy. But I'm still going to add loads of spice to it as well. So this is the sauce. That would have been embarrassing if I couldn't open the jar. Just pre-opened it for me.
because she eats corn mince, so she's healthy.
Yeah.
She's got muscles. Darren, how long do we have to let it simmer for?
Well, my Delia Smith. It's corn mince, it doesn't take long to cook. If it was proper mince, you'd brown the mince first and then add the sauce. As it's corn mince, you just bung it all in.
Yeah, but you told me earlier we had to leave it for a while and we couldn't have dinner quickly.
So to build up, what you want to do is cook it, right, put everything in, get the flavour.
Shall I translate for the southern people?
So
Cook it.
Turn the heat off, leave it for a little bit, right? Let the flavour develop. Now, corn mince, in real mince, you get to this feeling. You want the flavour in the mince, right? Corn mince just tastes like cardboard. So
it doesn't. It tastes whatever you cook it with.
So here's the red kidney beans in chilli and tomato sauce.
Which were actually cheaper than chili beans in no sauce.
Yeah. We did find like the most
In
expensive.
the extortionate co-op. Just £1 for a pint of milk.
That's inflation.
Comment down below, how much is a pint of milk? Not £1.
Yeah, comment below. How much is a pint of milk in your?
Yeah, in your co-op. Other shops are available.
Use a drop. And obviously, because no chilli sauce is hot enough, put in some chilli flakes.
Because you're trying to make me cry.
Yeah. And then if you really want to kick it in, you want sriracha sauce as well.
Does smell good. Oh, sauce.
Oh, that's good chilli. That is good chilli, that. Whoa. Do you want to taste?
Yeah, go on then. Very nice. Oh, it's a bit spicy though.
Oh, there's a little kick to it, isn't it?
A little bit.
Right. This is why you know that. Because the kebab I got for lunchtime was so huge.
Massive, in fact.
Massive, yeah. I'm going to give Jess her chilli, fill her bowl up, and then I'm cutting my kebab up because I can't have a meal without meat.
So he's having cat for dinner.
I'm having cat for dinner. So let's get Jess's chilli dished up. Look at that.
It's good. I'm quite excited about this.
It's a one-pan dish.
If I was good at cooking, I could make this at camping.
It's not difficult, mate. Is that enough for you?
So we'll eat pot noodles.
Is that enough for you?
Yes, I is, thank you.
Right now, chopping up my kebab. Make sure not too big chunks because you want to be able to cook it all the way through. This is how I add extra meat. Never throw anything away.
DK topped it.
Give that stir, get that flavour in. Heat the meat up a bit. Nothing better than reheated kebab. I reckon I'll get my own cooking program, you know that.
Do you?
Might even open my own restaurant. Answer below, would you come and eat in DK's,
Leftover kebab.
in DK's restaurant?
I feel that you have a student following.
Oh, that's enough for them. You eat it. It's a bit too hot for you.
Yeah.
These pockets are brilliant. I like little pockets for food. And you put your food in.
What'd you do?
You go,
Oh.
oh, they're nice.
They are good.
I don't recall me eating. So there you go. Another end of another week's adventure in Millie. Oh no, it's sad, isn't it?
I know.
There's been some great highs, not many lows, touch wood, we have not got home yet. This site is absolutely amazing. Amazing views. We had a great night last night. It was dry, so we sat outside, had a couple of drinks, hence why we didn't do a lot of filming. Jess is a little bit hungover.
But I get oh, I gave up all my names.
Yeah, this is Jess drunk. I sat outside some public toilets. So I had a bit of a lazy morning. We didn't do loads of fancy driving in or driving out of sites because pretty much it's rained the whole week. And Jess is not that much of a dedicated YouTuber to get out of a dry cab, to stand in the rain, to watch me drive past in the dry while she's getting wet. So we haven't done many of them, which I'm, sorry. But other than that, this site was beautiful. We sat outside just watching this, watching the sun go down, really, don't we? And chewing the fat. And yeah, on the way home. So we scored this as the best facility site of the 6 that we've been on.
And it's the most peaceful. There was absolutely no road traffic.
Yeah, even though we're pretty much, you're quite some distance away from the roads. But yeah, there was no road traffic. We woke up to the sound of birds this morning. Yeah, it was beautiful, nice and peaceful. We sat outside last night, and other than the sound of the search helicopter or the air ambulance that flew over a few times, it was beautiful evening. Very little light pollution, so we could see the stars. So now we had a great night, and now sadly on our way home. So if you liked the video, click subscribe, like, notify, all that kind of stuff, and comment below what was your highlight or any questions about any of the sites we've stayed at this week. And see you in the next video. Say bye, Jess.
Bye, Jess.